Have a blessed day, everyone. This is AJ Emmy from EJ Agency on Popo Live. At gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat po ng sumuporta sa akin during our 7-day challenge na talagang napaka-challenge. Imagine po, it's in 6 days. We are in the top 1 in just in 1 hour. Sadyang, and our final live hour is 9 to 10 p.m. We started at 9, dropping the gifts and supporting. And 9:10, nakita po natin na sa top 2 na lang tayo, and the rank 1 is already had their 600,000, almost 600,000 points. And for us, we have only 200,000 points. And 50 minutes tayong naghabol sa top 1. And before mag-end, before 10 o'clock, we are still in 500,000 plus, and then naka 700k na sila, 700k plus na sila. And we thank you for all the courage, the support, and for never stop until the end. No, hindi talaga tumigil lahat. Thank you for all who dropped their fireworks and lucky boxes, kasi that's make us on the top talaga in the last minute. And of course, thank you for those who prayed for us. Truly, in the Word of God says in Luke 1:37, with God, nothing is impossible. No, talagang ang dami pong nag-check doon sa top 1 during that time na they have been collaborating with some other agencies po, and they have supported the top 1 that time. And tayo, we have only EJ Agency, and we, of course, we have God that is with us from 6 days that we are in the challenge. We have been praying and claiming that this victory is for us, and we thank God because He is so faithful, and He knows that para po ito sa inyong lahat, mga EJ family. So maraming salamat po, truly, na before 3 minutes before mag-end ang challenge, nakakakaba, but truly sa 3 minutes na yon, God is showing His power. For us, it is impossible, but with God, nothing is impossible. He is the possible God. So thank you so much, everyone. We thank the Lord, and salamat po sa lahat ng sumuporta nating mga kaibigan. Thank you for sharing the live stream to all your friends, and for coming also. Maraming salamat. The prizes, I am distributing them as a promise po, and ongoing pa po siya, kaya hintay-hintay lamang po yung iba sa mga hindi pa nakatanggap. At maraming salamat. God bless everyone. And sa mga wala pang pupo, you can download pupo. I will send the link. I will comment the link below. You can click and download pupo and join our family. 3494747 EJ Agency po. And yes, thank you so much. See you in pupo. God bless everyone.